Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to download and install Kali Linux machine in VirtualBox. So first go to your browser and simply go to a website named kali.org. So this is the website look like. So I need to install or download 64-bit for my virtual machine. So simply VMware 64-bit. This is 2.2 GB total space. After successfully downloaded, I have to create a new session in VirtualBox, just like this. Give a proper name, machine folder, type, and version. I give here GVN 64-bit and memory size or RAM. Customize the RAM for 2 GB in for Kali Linux in my virtual machine. Just simply click create. Look guys, here create a Kali machine. I already have a Kali Linux installed before, so we have to configure some basic settings. Just check the network, and optical is first option in boot order box. And processor, I take 2 processor and enable extend features. And display, just click box and VGA. This is just check enable storage, and here I have to add a disk file where I download the Kali Linux. Here is my Kali Linux, and link to the VirtualBox machine with Kali Linux. Now successfully completed all the things and ready to go. All complete. Now successfully run the Linux. Okay, that's it guys, hope you guys liked it.